Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to show you how to make a cake that looks like a sponge. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To start, in a bowl with 1 cup of flour, add in a half a teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. Next, in a bowl with 135 grams of butter, add in 125 grams of sugar, and mix until well combined. Add in 3 eggs, one at a time. Don't be silly like me and add in 2 eggs at a time. Only add in 1 egg and mix thoroughly before adding in the next egg. Then add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add the flour mixture to the bowl and mix until well incorporated. Then add in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix until smooth. Portion out 200 grams of the batter to the 200 gram batter. Add a few drops of green food coloring, and to the other bowl of batter add a few drops of yellow food coloring. Mix until the color is evenly dispersed. Spoon batters into lined baking tins. And bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 17 minutes. Take the green cake out at about 10 minutes, since it's thinner than the yellow cake. To make the dish soap, I use some melted white chocolate with a few drops of green food coloring. Mix until smooth and the color is evenly dispersed. Once cool, place the yellow cake onto a flat dish and spread about 3 tablespoons of apricot jam on top. Then place the green layer on top of that. Trim the edges. And cut into 4 equal pieces. Now for the foam. In a bowl with the egg white of 1 egg, whisk until the mixture has bubbles. Then add in half of 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix until the mixture has fine bubbles. Then add in the rest of the sugar and a half a teaspoon lemon juice. Mix until light and fluffy. Pour the dish soap over the sponge. Top with some foam. I hope you try to make this at home and amaze your friends and family with this sponge cake. Enjoy!